Lab 100. This lab walks you through the steps to get started with Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse and Oracle Application Express. We will provision a new ADW instance and use Apex to create a workspace and user, load data, and finally create an app. Click on Sign in to Cloud. Enter your cloud account name and click Next. Enter the username and password to sign in. Once inside, click on Create Autonomous Database. In the wizard, choose the compartment, change the display name and DB name, select Data Warehouse as the workload type, increase the OCPU count and disable auto-scaling. Create an admin password and click on Create ADW after selecting License Included. Once the ADW is provisioned, we need to download a wallet file. Click on DB Connection and select Download Wallet. Create a password for the wallet file to download it. Click on Service Console, select the Development tab and click on Oracle Application Express. Sign in to Apex using the admin password you specified while creating the ADW instance. Click on Create Workspace and enter a DB user and create a password. Once this is done, sign back in again using the DB user. Select SQL Workshop, click on Utilities and select the Data Workshop tab. Click on Load Data and upload the transaction history Excel file. Give a table name and select Load Data. Once the data is loaded, click on View Table to see the load results. Follow the same procedure again to upload the US Census CSV file. Once it is done, make sure both the tables are visible in the object browser. Select Modify Column. Select the Date of Sale column and change the data type to timestamp, and then click on Next. Click on the Finish button. Now click on Import and upload the Apex application SQL file. Click on Next and go through the next page for a summary detail before clicking Install Application. Click on Next and finally select Install Application. Once a confirmation pops up, select Run Application and use the developer credentials to log into your application.